Hello, everyone. This is Abby Small with MC Deck Discussions. That is Marvel Champion Deck Discussions. And I have something different for you today. Recently, it was my birthday, and my daughter got me a gift. It came in just the day after my birthday, actually. I'm now 58, and it is called A Cooperative Quest Through Middle-earth, the Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring Trick-Taking Game. So this is actually the title down here. And it's designed by Brian Bornmueller, or however that's pronounced, I'm not positive. But I was excited about this game. I saw a review of it and a playthrough, and it looked like a lot of fun. It's a cooperative trick-taking game and can also be played solo, which I like because I could learn how to play it solo and then be able to more easily teach others to play when I'm ready to play with them or when they're ready to play with me and have some time. So let's go ahead and start opening this thing. And that's what we're here for, by the way, is an unboxing. I assume that'll be in the title, so you'll know ahead of time. Okay, so let's get this thing open. All right. So, oh, there's quite a bit of shine there. I wonder if I can do something with the lighting. All right, I tried messing with the lighting. That didn't help. But I can move this, and then now it can make it so you can see it. So you can see there's the One Ring, and we can see the Lord of the Rings, the Fellowship of the Ring, trick-taking game. And of course, there are a bunch of words there. I guess I'll put it here. So if you wish to read this, you can. But otherwise, I'm going to just keep opening things. So this is, let's see, it has the components. So does this say it's the rule book anywhere? It doesn't say it is, but it kind of appears to be. Yeah, it tells me the setup, trick taking, the rings suit, all kinds of stuff. I love the art in this, and I loved that in the playthrough that I saw. So when we open up the decks and start seeing the cards, we'll be able to see that. I'll try to prevent any spoilers, so I might pause the recording here and there just to make sure I know whether or not I'm spoiling anything ahead of time. But otherwise, it'll be mostly uh, a live unboxing. All right, and then rules summary. So there is a rules summary on the very last page here. Let's see if I can bring that up a little closer for you to see. So we have a rules summary right there. Oh, and right there says scan this code to watch our Learn to Play video. Oh, that's cool. Good to know. All right, let's see what else we have here. Okay, I assume this is something that I'm not supposed to open. It has a little seal. I don't know if you can see that very well. And there's a little seal right there. And then we can see we have this deck of cards. Oh, that's handy. Look at that. Has that little piece there to pull that out. So it says chapter 1 on it. So I'm not going to do too much there to, oh, okay. Okay. All right. So this is pretty cool. So notice this says chapter 1 on it. Part 1, no admittance except on party business. Proceed here after chapter 1. So it does look like that I shouldn't really, be opening things and showing you, but I will. Here, I'll cover up the text, but you can see it does say chapter 2 inside there. And then there's part 2. Keep it secret, keep it safe. Proceed here after chapter 12. So I'm going to cover that up. I don't know what it says inside. Yeah, so it says chapter 13. So we're going to have a bunch of chapters that we play through here. All right, so I get this unboxing. I'm not going to unbox very much. So there are some playthroughs out there. One Shop Co-op Shop has a fantastic playthrough, so that'd be a good place to look. But let's at least get this plastic open here. So let's see if this will open it up quickly. If not, I'll pause the recording so we can, there we go. All right. So even though I have a tool for opening such things, it doesn't mean it always opens it up quickly. So I wasn't going to have you watch me fumbling around. Okay. All right. So there we have it, chapter 1. And it looks like it starts telling a story right away. I figure it's on the surface, so it's not really any kind of, it's not really giving much of anything away. But let me pause the recording and kind of glance at some of the rest and see if there is anything I can show you. Otherwise, I think this unboxing is done. All right, so it does look like I can show you some things here. So because these are basically the heroes, right? So you can see here's Frodo, and you have Bilbo, Gandalf, Pippin, and then we start to have some of the suits. So you can see it says Hill on it. I couldn't tell what that said at first, actually. But yeah, that says Hill. So this must be the Hill suit. And then on the back, oh, okay. And the back of it is just has the basically the back of the cards, which are gorgeous. And then this is the mountain suit, which is really cool. I love the art on this. I think it's pretty neat. And then we also have, let's see, what does that say? Shadow. Very cool. Difficult to read here. Let's see if I can get it to the point where you guys can read it too. So it is a little bit challenging even for me to read that, but I can see it a little better than you can see it in the camera. So that's the shadow suit. And then we have the forest suit right here. Okay. All right. And then let's see. Then we have, let's see, you may choose to win this trick. Oh, okay. So this must be the ring suit. Yeah, ring. It says ring on it. And and then we have some player reference cards. So that looks like that's about it that I can show you without showing spoilers. So I am going to stop there. So this should be a relatively short video, but I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, my very first one. All right, everybody have a good one, and I will catch everybody later.